Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Fashion Star Gold. In today's tutorial I want to teach you on how to draft a trouser, a female trouser or a female pants. So this is the starting point. I'm going to use my measurement, but I'm using paper. For the waist line, I'll measure 1 inch. That is my waistline. The next thing is hip. That's waist to hip. It's 9 inches. I'll rule a line too. Waist to crotch line. For you to get crotch line measurement or crotch measurement, you have to divide your hip into 4. So it's going to be 11.5 inches. Remember, I'm using paper. It's not going to be enough. So I want to measure waist to the nail. This is the down side of it. This is the waistline, the hip line, the crotch line, the knee line, and the floor or the ankle. So at the ankle line, I'll mark 3 inches. Then I'll connect it to the hip. Connect it to the hip line. From the hip line, I'll connect it to the waist. For the trouser to have a little shape. From the waist, I'm going to measure my waist. 40 divided by 4 is 10 inches plus 2 inches allowance. 12 inches. I'm marking the 12 inches there. For the hip, my hip is 46 divided by 4, 11.5 inches plus 2 inches allowance. This is the crotch line. I'm going to measure my lap here. My lap is 30 inches divided by 2. At the waistline, you divide it by 4. at the hip line, you divide it by 4. From a crotch line, divide it by 2. Knee, divide it by 2. Length or the ankle, divide it by 2. So it's going to be 15 inches plus 2 inches allowance. So I want to connect the cuff now. So for the ankle is 20 inches divided by 2 is 10 inches. Then I'll connect from here to the crotch line. So from here, from the waistline, I'll come down by 1 inch. Then I'll connect it to the starting point here. Remember, we are cutting a female pants or a female trouser. Then this is the zipper. I'm taking 2 inches. I'm taking 1.5 inches or 2 inches, but I'm marking 1.5. I measure from here to between 6 inches to 7 inches, but let me measure 6 inches. 1.5. So this is the front side of it. I want to cut it now. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Don't watch and go away. So this is the front side of it. This is the zipper. So let me cut the back now. Let me show you how to cut the back side of it. Okay, before I cut the back side of it, let me measure the pocket. The pocket is optional, depends on what you want. So the pocket from the waist is 2.5 inches. Then the depth is 7 inches, between 6.5 to 7 inches. Depends on what you want. If you want it to be coffee, you then cuff it with a curve ruler. So let me measure the back side of it. Remember, we are using paper. It's not enough, but we still have to manage it. So at the waist, you measure 1 inch. Remember, this is the front side. From this front, the end of the front side, you measure 1 inch. Then connect it to the hip line. So this place, cut it straight. You don't add anything to it. Just for it to give you the shape. Remember that 1 inch here. So I'm going to fold in the zipper. Fold in the zipper. Remember, this is crush line. The paper is very short. So this is 2 inches allowance. I'm supposed to add like 3 inches, between 2.5 inches to 3 inches. But the paper is very small. So here, I will add just 1 inch. Then I'll connect it to the crush line. That is for the back side of it. Here I'll measure where the zipper stop. I'll measure 1/2 inch here. From where the zipper stop at the waist, I'm going to measure 2 inches. So the 2 inches, I'll connect it to this 1 inch here. See the way I'm placing the ruler. So this is the back of the trouser. See the way I'm connecting. So I'm going to cut it now. So this is the front side of it. This is the back side of the trouser, the female trouser. You fold this into two. Then notch this place. This will be the dart, the back dart. For the back dart, I'm going to measure 4 inches. That's the dart. I measure 1/2 inch. This way, 1/2 inch. This other way. Connect the line. So that is the dart for the back of the trouser. So that is the back trouser with the dart. So please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, you still have the opportunity to do so. Subscription is free. You are not paying for it. Just click on the notification button. You'll be notified anytime I post a new video. So watch all my videos. I have other channels on fashion trend. You see the latest style 2022 edition. So watch everything. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Bye.